Hi there, welcome back to Zestoxa, your channel for health, fitness, nutrition and beauty tips. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore some of the best drinks for your nerve health. Yes, you heard me right, nerve health. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like and comment below if you enjoy this video. Did you know that your nerves are responsible for transmitting signals from your brain to your body, and vice versa? They help you sense, move, think, and feel. But sometimes, your nerves can get damaged or inflamed due to various factors like diabetes, injuries, infections, toxins, or autoimmune diseases. This can cause symptoms like pain, numbness, tingling, weakness, loss of function in different parts of the body, or even paralysis. But don't worry, there are some natural ways to protect and repair your nerves. And one of them is drinking some delicious and nutritious beverages that contain nerve-boosting ingredients. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing drinks that can help you improve your nerve health and prevent nerve damage. So grab a glass and let's get started. The first drink on our list is green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular and beneficial drinks in the world. It contains antioxidants, polyphenols, and catechins that can fight inflammation, oxidative stress, and free radicals that can damage your nerves. Green tea also has neuroprotective effects that can prevent or reduce nerve degeneration and improve nerve function. Green tea can also lower your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity, which can prevent or manage diabetic neuropathy. So drink up some green tea every day and enjoy its nerve healing benefits. To brew green tea, you will need green tea leaves or bags, hot water, and a teapot or a cup. Boil some water and let it cool slightly. Put 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 tea bag in the teapot or cup. Pour the hot water over the tea and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. You can adjust the steeping time according to your preference. Strain the tea or remove the tea bag and enjoy your green tea. You can also add some honey, lemon, or mint for extra flavor. The next drink on our list is turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that can modulate the activity of various molecules and pathways that are involved in nerve damage and pain. Turmeric can also enhance the production of nerve growth factor, a protein that can stimulate the growth and survival of nerve cells. Turmeric milk is a traditional drink that combines turmeric with milk and other spices like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper. Milk provides calcium, protein, and vitamin D that are essential for nerve health. The other spices also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can boost your immunity and digestion. Turmeric milk is a warm and soothing drink that can help you relax and sleep better at night. To make turmeric milk, you will need milk, turmeric powder, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and honey. In a small saucepan, heat 1 cup of milk over medium-low heat. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, a pinch of cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper. Stir well and bring to a boil. Simmer for 10 minutes and then strain the milk into a mug. Add some honey to taste and enjoy your turmeric milk. The third drink on our list is blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are superfruits that are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, anthocyanins, and vitamin C that can protect your nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries can also improve blood flow to your brain and peripheral nerves, which can enhance their function and regeneration. Blueberries can also lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases that can affect your nerves. Blueberry smoothie is a delicious and nutritious drink that combines blueberries with yogurt, milk, banana, honey, and ice. Yogurt provides probiotics that can improve your gut health and immune system. Milk and banana provide potassium that can regulate your nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Honey provides natural sweetness and antibacterial properties. Ice makes the smoothie refreshing and hydrating. To make a blueberry smoothie, you will need blueberries, yogurt, milk, banana, honey, and ice. In a blender, add 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and some ice cubes. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy your blueberry smoothie. The fourth drink on our list is carrot juice. Carrots are vegetables that are high in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A that is vital for nerve health. Vitamin A can help maintain the integrity of the myelin sheath, a protective layer that covers your nerve fibers and enables fast and efficient transmission of nerve signals. Vitamin A can also support the growth and differentiation of nerve cells and prevent nerve degeneration. Carrot juice is a simple and easy drink that you can make by juicing fresh carrots or blending them with water. You can also add some lemon juice or ginger for extra flavor and benefits. To make carrot juice, You will need carrots, water, lemon juice, and ginger. Wash and peel 4 large carrots and cut them into chunks. In a blender or juicer, add the carrot chunks, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a small piece of ginger. Blend or juice until smooth and frothy. Strain the juice if needed, and enjoy your carrot juice. The 5th and final drink on our list is bone broth. Bone broth is a traditional drink that is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for hours or days to extract their nutrients and flavor. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that can nourish your nerves and support their repair and regeneration. Bone broth can also reduce inflammation, heal your gut lining, strengthen your bones and joints, boost your immunity, and detoxify your body. Bone broth is a savory and satisfying drink that you can enjoy any time of the day. To make bone broth, you will need bones from chicken, beef, pork, or fish, water, vinegar, salt, pepper, bay leaves, onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. In a large pot or slow cooker, add the bones of your choice and enough water to cover them. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and some salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. Simmer for at least 12 hours or up to 24 hours for beef bones. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Add some bay leaves, onion, garlic, celery, and carrots in the last hour of cooking for extra flavor. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer. So these are the top drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Try them out today and see how they improve your nerve health and well-being. Some products that can help you prepare these drinks easily and enjoy their benefits are available on Amazon. You can check them out using my affiliate links in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Zestoxa for more health, fitness, nutrition, and beauty tips. I love you and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.